this is Josie. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, so welcome once again back here to my channel. It is myself, Josie from AJ Creations. If you guys are not new to the channel, welcome back. But if you are new, please do me a favor, stop what you're doing, pause the video, go down below, subscribe, and then hit that notification bell, guys, so you guys know when I upload another awesome video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a baby shower centerpiece if you want, or also a baptism centerpiece or first communion for little girl centerpiece. It really depends on what you want to do and how you do it. That determines what centerpiece you make. And we're going to start by first, I went ahead and already painted this circle. The styrofoam circle, I painted it pink, and I'm looking around because I'm like, where did I leave that color, so you guys know what it is. So it's this pink color right here. And what I do is I always use a sponge brush, guys, as you guys know. And the sponge brushes I use they come in a pack like this. And the reason why I love sponge brushes, guys, is just everything paints better with these. So I used this, I went ahead and painted this, and I let it dry. I think I used 2 coats to get to the pink where I'm at. And these you could get at the Dollar Tree. They're 2 for $1, so they're actually like 50 cents each. You're going to get a vase of this size. This too you can also get at the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. You need some tulle. Pink tulle is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use some of these little flowers right here. And then I'm also going to use rhinestones. And these come in a big roll that, you know, eventually I'm going to end up putting up on my Etsy shop, so you guys can go ahead and order whenever you guys need it. And I'm going to use my cordless glue gun. I'm going to use the description down below where you guys can get this. I love this. As you guys know, I'm a very, very busy person. If you guys don't follow me on social media, I'm going to leave the link right about now, so you guys can follow me on Instagram. And you guys can know how busy my life is. And honestly, I don't understand, or I don't comprehend, or I can't really tell you how I do it all. But I do. And this right here, guys, is my lifesaver because it has, you connect it with a USB port. So I plug it into my car charger. And when I sit, you know, sometimes my daughter has cheer practice for 2 hours. And I do all my gluing right there with this portable glue gun. I love it. So I'm going to get it started by turning it on. So it's on, and then we're going to start. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put rhinestones around here, because what little girl doesn't like bling bling? I'm going to use my awesome scissors that I'm going to link in down below where you guys can get these. These I bought from, I forget the name of the store, but do you guys remember the Hills or Laguna Beach? Well, yeah, she's the person that came up with these scissors. And let me tell you, sometimes we don't want to pay that extra money because we're like, no, you know, it's too much. Yes, you could go to any craft store and get the good scissors, but these right here, guys, these are awesome. And you know, I love rose gold anything, so it was just perfect. So I'm going to do a strand like this, and each strand it's 3 of those little strands. I'm going to go ahead and get it and then glue it around the circle like so. So I'm going to get my glue gun, and then I'm just going to start putting it like around the edge. That way we can have the bling bling. And like I said, what little girl doesn't love to have everything blinged out? Go like this, and then finish it in the end. So this is how it looks, guys. Blinged, blinged. How cute is that? I love it. So next thing is we're going to get our vase, and we're going to actually, like I said, it could be for a baptism, it could be for first communion. So I'm going to go ahead and take a strand of 3 also, and I'm going to kind of measure like that. I do want it to be kind of long. So then I'm going to cut, and then I am going to glue with the hot glue gun onto the vase. A lot of people don't like using hot glue on vases. I do. You could also use special glue. I forget the name, E4000 or something like that. That also works. But like I said, I have no issue with using my glue gun for this. Like I said, a lot of people don't like it, and you know, it's your prerogative. You can do whatever you like and wish. So it's gonna look like this, guys. And then I'm gonna take the two sides right here, and I'm thinking it's going to be this big. The only thing with this is you guys have to cut that middle part out so it doesn't overlap and look like chunky. Like if you just go like that, then it's going to be like a lump. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see where it ends and how many that is. So it's right here. And I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 of those little strands. So I know to cut the same 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. Get my glue gun and go ahead and glue it. And this is going to look super cute. It's a very cheap way to decorate your tables for that very, very important moment. My daughter will be doing her first communion next April. And I'm pretty sure these are the centerpieces I'm going to make. So that's how it's going to look. We made a cross. Very, very cute. Now this is where those little small roses come in place. I'm going to cut one off. And these two will also be on my shop pretty soon. It's going to be a lot of changes 2020 for my shop. So I'm going to cut it like so. And then I'm just going to place right there in the middle of the cross. 2020, guys, I am going to introduce a lot of supplies to my shop, so you guys can, you know, get them ASAP whenever you guys need any. So it looks like that. How cute, right? So this eventually, when you guys are done, is going to go on the styrofoam like so. But because we do want it to be visible on both sides, I'm going to do this exact cross on the other side and not that pretty rose. So by the power of YouTube and editing, this is how it looks, guys. So this is going to be the front or the back and the front and back, but both sides are going to have the cross. Now I'm going to go ahead and place it on my circle like so. And I am going to add glue to the bottom, guys. And it is going to be from my glue gun. So, like I said, a lot of people don't like using hot glue. I really haven't had an issue with it. It seems to be working fine for me. So, we're going to go ahead and put that. So, after adding it at the bottom, I'm going to eyeball where the middle is. And then just press on it firmly. So, you guys, it looks like that. So we're almost done, guys, and so far it's looking just so nice. So the next step is, this is where the tool comes in, guys. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and open this. It's a brand new packet. And these, I believe I got at at Walmart. And there's a section, sometimes they have it on sale. When they do have them on sale, I tend to buy a lot. So I'm going to kind of give it, maybe this is what, like maybe a 5 inches across. And I'm just going to cut it and then place it on the table and then cut. They don't have to be exactly the same. They just have to be about the same. And I'm going to start off by cutting a good amount of these. Like I said, I just lay them on. Use the bottom as my guide, not necessarily having to be the same. So, and that's why I love these scissors, guys, because it just cuts everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 2 of those that I just finished cutting. I'm going to kind of do what I do with my tissue paper, if you're familiar with my videos. And then I'm going to do one of these. So I'm going to scrunch it up like that. And then I'm going to add it to the bottom like that. What I'm going to do to help me do this process, guys, is I'm going to get a dowel, one of my dowels, and then I'm going to press into it. So there's already like a pre-made hole. I'm going to take my glue and then add some. That way my tool doesn't move. I did one of these at the bottom as well, guys. I like kind of twisted it. And that part that's twisted is what I'm going to put in with my dowel. So you have this. I'm gonna show you guys again, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take those pieces of tulle that I cut, and I'm kind of layering it like not on top of each other, but like kind of sideways to each other. I'm gonna take the middle of both of them once they're laid out like that, like this. Give it a little pinch, and then it goes up, okay? And then I do one of these. So I have that little part kind of like shriveled up, because when I use my dowel again to make a pre-made hole on it, it'll be easy to put it in. And then I'm going to add some glue that's just going to reinforce the tool. So then I take my dowel, and that helps me put it in like that. Do you guys see that? If you guys know of a better way of doing that, a faster way, you know, like I said, this is just giving you ideas. But if you guys see something like, oh no Josie, that's just such a long way or the hard way, you know, go ahead, do it your way. Obviously I'm not there to see you guys that you guys didn't like my way. But go ahead and do it. And if you guys want to DM me in my Instagram and tell me, hey Josie, you know, the way you did it, that was a lot of time consuming, let me know as well. So I'm going to cut a little bit more of these. And then, like I said, I'm going to keep on going around. Take two. Kind of layer them on top. And then do one of these. And put it, like I said, if you guys, maybe you guys put it on a ribbon. And then when you guys put on a ribbon, you guys lay it on the bottom. You know, that's another way of doing it. These are just ideas to get you guys started. Always remember to tag me. Hashtag, and I'll leave it down below, is I love it ANJ. Hashtag me, so when you guys do show me that you guys, you know, hey, I attempted to do the centerpiece, and here it is. I know that in our family channel, yes, we have a family channel, guys. If you guys are not yet following us on our YouTube channel, I will greatly appreciate it if you go and search The Quinteros, and add us. And one of the challenges we have planned for you guys is my husband is going to attempt to make this most simplest centerpiece I have, because according to him, I make it look easy, which is a compliment, you know, because I want you guys not to stress when you guys see my videos and say, oh no, that's a lot of work. But it's really not that easy per se. You know, I've been doing this for a while now, so it's a little bit faster for me, I guess you could say, that I do things. That's how it's looking, guys. But yeah, he did tell me, oh, I could do that too. So I'm like, okay, let's do a challenge. So definitely would love you guys to go and follow us on our YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm almost done with this. Can you guys see how cute it's looking? And this one, guys, I like, you guys know, if you guys are not new to my channel, but if you guys are new, I usually always do like a prototype of how to do the centerpiece. So when I do the video, you know, I know what to do, what process to do. For this one, I kind of just said, you know what? I want to see them how my mind thinks when I come up with centerpieces. So this right now, this is the first time of me doing the centerpiece. And I don't know about you guys, but I think it's the cutest one. And like I said, my daughter will be doing her first communion next year, April 2020. And I definitely think these are going to be her centerpieces. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then one more, guys. One more. Thank you guys for not fast forwarding this part. And staying. And then the last one is going to go right here. And there it is, guys. How cute is that? Look at guys. Oh, it's cute. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, you know what? I can definitely add some of those Dollar Tree rocks, the little rocks you put. So I'm going to grab some of that. I do have some in handy and see how that looks. Okay, so these are it, guys. And, you know, you guys don't see the behind the scene, but I totally forgot that I was mic'd up and I got up really quick and everything went on the floor and the camera and everything. But we're good. We're good. So this is what I'm talking about. They sell these two at the Dollar Tree. They're $1. And I'm going to go ahead. That was loud. I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. How cute, right? Now, what you can also do in the night, so it can look even that much cuter, is fill this up with water, pre-fill it up, and then leave a candle on top. So then when it gets dark at night, you can light up the candle, and it looks super cute, and it's like extra light for you and your guests. But this, guys, is the end result. And I think it just looks the cutest thing ever. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. If you guys want it to be more fluffier at the bottom with tulle, you guys can make it more closer, that, you know, gathers together. If you guys don't want to use tulle, you guys want to use tissue paper, as you guys see that I do a lot of my centerpieces with tissue paper, go ahead and do, you know, tissue paper. After, you know, I just gave you guys the idea. It becomes your guys' personal touch or your personal centerpiece when you guys tweak it a little bit and make it yours. I hope you guys love this one. This is definitely one that I like, and I like the fact that I didn't do a prototype for you guys and I just did it all in front of you guys. So until then, guys, thank you so much for staying tuned with me. Thank you so much for all your love and support. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. And if you are new to this channel, once again, don't forget to share, like, subscribe below, and hit that notification bell down below, guys. Until then, this has been myself, Josie. Till next video. Bye, guys.